On today's menu is coconut crusted pork chops. What we need for our coconut crusted pork chops: 3/4 cup panko breadcrumbs, 3/4 cup shredded coconut, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1/8 teaspoon cayenne pepper, 4 1/2-inch thick bone-in pork chops. All I had was boneless. 3/4 teaspoon salt divided, cooking spray, 1 8-ounce can pineapple tidbits drained. I have the 8 ounces, but all I had was crushed pineapple. 1/3 cup diced red bell pepper. All I had was a green pepper. 2 tablespoons diced red onion. 1 tablespoon diced jalapeno pepper, seeds removed. 1 teaspoon chopped fresh parsley. 2 tablespoons lime juice. And 1 tablespoon sugar. So let's begin. Take a baking sheet and spray it with cooking spray. And set it aside. Preheat the oven to 375. Take a shallow dish, dump in your breadcrumbs, dump in your coconut, and that was 3/4 cups of the breadcrumbs and 3/4 cups of the coconut, 1 teaspoon of the chili powder, 1/8 teaspoon of the cayenne pepper, and then mix that up. So we have our 4 pork chops. We want to sprinkle salt on each one on both sides. We then take our pork chop and put it in the breading mix, which is the coconut and the breadcrumbs. Make sure that it is completely covered on both sides. And then lightly coat with cooking spray. Then put the pork chops into a 375-degree oven for 25 to 30 minutes or until done. While you're waiting for the pork chops to cook, we'll go ahead and make the pineapple salsa. We'll get a medium-sized bowl, dump in the pineapple tidbits. In my case, it's going to be the crushed pineapple. And I drained it the best I could. The diced red pepper, in my case, it's green pepper. And that was 1/3 cup. The pineapple was 8 ounces. 2 tablespoons of the diced red onion. 1 tablespoon of the diced jalapeno peppers, 1 teaspoon of the fresh parsley, 2 tablespoons of the lime juice, 1 tablespoon of the sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And we'll give that a mix until thoroughly combined. And then we'll just let it sit until the pork chops are done. And we'll put on the pineapple salsa on top of that. So here is the coconut crusted pork chop with pineapple salsa garnished on top, and rounding up the meal is corn on the cob. I will let my husband do a taste test.
This isn't dandruff, it's sawdust. Just in case you can see it. I assume I'm tasting, what is this?
It is coconut crusted pork chops with the pineapple salsa on top.
Oh, okay. I forking love you too. They're both very good.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.